Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. What I was just doing, I'm not going crazy. I'm trying to demonstrate for all of you the difference with the MORryde step. I'm honored to have Jack and Field here from MORryde to talk specifically about why it's going to bring you more value as the customer having these steps on your RV.
The Road Warrior quality story continues with the use of the MORryde step above entry step. We use a hinge plate that allows the step to swing up inside the door so that when you're traveling, you just close the door. When you open the door, you pull it down, and you have quick legs that go all the way to the ground. By going all the way to the ground, it's more secure, it's more stable, it's safer for that consumer to get in and out of the trailer. The legs are adjustable, so if the campground is uneven, if the site isn't, he can still have safe, secure foundation. It's built to last. One of the questions we get is, how do we know that your step is any better? What we tell consumers is just do the twist test. Lift the step and just twist it. And then compare that to the other steps that are out there. What you're gonna find is that we're building a quality product that you can be proud of and that you know is part of the Road Warrior quality story.
To learn more about the RVs that we're utilizing with this wonderful step, go to heartlandrvs.com, or if you currently already own an RV and you would like to get one aftermarket, you can go to MORryde.com to get more information about these steps.